Olivia, can you show us how you drink out of a cup? Nice job. Good job. What are you drinking?
Orange juice.
Good job. Can you set it back down? Oh, good job. Can you take another drink? Oh, get it to your mouth. There you go. You did it! Good job. Oh, is it empty? Do you drink it? Oh.
Little drips in there.
Wasn't empty yet. Now it is. Do you want more?
How are you doing? Did you eat your eggs?
Can you say, can I have more orange juice?
You didn't eat your eggs?
No.
Olivia? Can you say, can I have more orange juice?
Can I more orange juice?
Of course you can. Thank you for asking.